Hello students, today we will discuss about solenoid. Solenoid is the combination of large number of circular turns wrapped in the form of a cylinder like this. When we connect this coil with a battery and a key K, then current will start flowing through the solenoid like this. Now current is flowing from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery with the help of key K. Now magnetic field is produced around a solenoid. This magnetic field is like the magnetic field produced in a bar magnet. Like this. These magnetic field lines flowing around the solenoid, and the direction of these magnetic field lines can be determined by a rule. The name of the rule is, as my name, Sachin rule. S-A-C-H-I and N. This rule I relate to my name like this. If the current is flowing in clockwise direction, then it will create south pole, and if the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then it will show the north pole. So in this wire the current is flowing like this. This is clockwise, so south pole is generated here, and this is the opposite pole, that is the north pole. The magnetic field produced around the solenoid is like a bar magnet. It is the magnetic field lines flowing through the north pole to south pole. Inside the magnet, inside the solenoid, these magnetic field lines flows through south pole to north pole. These magnetic field lines, like in bar magnet, they will never intersect each other. Inside the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are nearly parallel to each other. That's why inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform. When we place a soft iron piece inside the solenoid, then it will also get magnetized. By this, we can increase the strength of this electromagnet, or we can increase the strength of this electromagnet by increasing the number of turns, or by increasing the amount of current we can also increase the strength of this magnetic solenoid. So the solenoid is the combination of large number of circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped in the form of a cylinder. Thank you and have a nice day.